Hey friends, and welcome back to our channel. I've got something pretty cool to share with you today. This is a bag like none other. It's a diaper bag, it's a camera bag, it's a backpack, it's whatever you want it to be. And I think it looks pretty awesome. The creators of this bag have thought of absolutely everything that you could possibly need in a bag. Guys, you're gonna wanna stay tuned for this. This is the problem. There's nothing on the market that solves this. Why don't I just come up with something and invent it myself? And that's exactly what this young couple did. They were new parents. They took their child on a wonderful road trip. But you know, it's tricky finding places to change your child's diaper out on the road. There's not always facilities for that, and it can get kind of dodgy. So they came up with something that solved that problem. What I really love about this bag is the fact that it stands. It stands really well. Apart from being convenient, it's perfect because it acts as your changing pad, and you can change your baby's diaper and have the ease and comfort of everything you need in the pouch standing up. Now the reason this is convenient is because you can do on-the-go diaper changing. You don't even have to go find a diaper changing facility in a public restroom or anything like that, because it's all right here. I particularly find this really handy because we've had to change our baby's diapers sometimes on the restroom floors, and that is pretty grimy, but what are you gonna do? So this makes it nice, hygienic, and very convenient. Another thing I really love about it are these magnetic locks all over the bag. When you're changing a baby's diaper and you're on the go, you don't have time to fuss with the zips and everything else. A nice magnetic lock that is super easy and just closes so well. So Vianetic called this the 5-in-1 bundle. But quite honestly, there's a whole lot more than 5 features in this bag. There's the backpack, the thermal pack, the pull-out caddy, the diaper pad, and the stroller car attachment. They even throw in a free rain cover. So today I am reviewing this 16-liter mini bag, okay? This is quite fantastic because it can take a 13-inch laptop inside the one compartment here. You also get the 20-liter bag, and that can take a 15-inch laptop. Okay, so first thing we're gonna look at is the caddy. Now that's this little bag here, and this you can put pretty much anything into it. What I really like is they've included these straps, and it has the Velcro bottom, so it just easily slots into the bag and attaches. It's not going to move around. Okay, so now let's look what's inside. But this caddy is fully adjustable. It reminds me very much of my camera bag because all of these little compartments have Velcro ends and can be moved around to suit whatever you're going to put inside. Look at that. Everything has a nice, easy Velcro edge and soft padding, so it's going to protect your goods as well. So for example, you wanted to put some of your baby's food that you're taking on the run. There we go. You want a pack of diapers. Okay, so we need a bit more space for that. Let's maybe put that in there, and let's keep it nice and secure like that. You can also add your wife's breast pump inside here, as well as the attachments. That closes up really simply and can get Velcroed inside the bag. Pump milk you can place inside the thermal pack, which you can access through this main pouch or its own side pouch over here. This little thermal pack is fantastic. It has a little carry strap, and you can place food in here, baby's bottle in here, or even a bottle of wine if you're taking the bag for a wonderful picnic on the road. Now the creators of Vianetic have pretty much thought of every type and size of compartment you could possibly want or need. This bag is just packed full of them, and they're all safe and secure. Now I know you're really gonna love this. This is a USB charger port. So basically you just plug in your cell phone USB charger cable, and you would have your power bank inside here. They've included the cable, and you just plug this in and Keep it safe in a little pouch. And voila, you can charge your cell phone on the go. Now, I don't know if you noticed at the bottom, but they have the wet and dry pouch, which is really handy if you've gone out to the beach, you've got your microfiber towel you want to put in here, or maybe some wet clothing of your children or your baby. And look, they've even included this free rain cover for your bag. Really handy rain cover to keep your bag and all your valuables safe inside. Now, I know what a lot of you are thinking out there. This is a really awesome looking backpack. Some of you are probably thinking you wouldn't even use this as a diaper bag, right? This is super stylish. And I mean, why should a parent, a dad, a mom not look stylish when you're on the go? But you don't just have to use this as a diaper bag. Look how cool these are. These are adjustable and they simply just snap. Now that's that magnetic lock I was telling you about. I mean, just off the top of my head, you could use this for work, you could use this for a baby, for family, for picnic. You could actually use this for travel as well. Check this out. I noticed that it has the pouch here for a hand luggage handle. So you just slip this on. Now, in the car and on the go is where the Vianetic really shows its true colors. Look at this. This is the chest strap, but now it doubles up as a strap for the back of the headrest. And now we have our diaper bag set up ready for a diaper changing on a flat surface in the comfort of a car, out of the wind, out of a cold draft. With the changing pad nice and flat, it's easy to change his diaper. And look here, this is the great thing about this caddy, is that it has these little almost drawers, so that it keeps everything nicely in place. So if you're a parent, or if you're a photographer, or you just enjoy traveling, however you plan to use the Vianetic bag, it is a multi-purpose, fantastic backpack, excellent diaper bag. It's any bag you want it to be. Now I'm going for a hike and I'm taking my backpack with me. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.